So I took this trade on GBP USD, and I'm going to share my thought process on why I took this trade. We are currently in the daily time frame, and as you can see, the overall market structure is bearish. You can see a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So expecting markets to push down further. Okay. So by knowing the market structure, we already know that our drawn liquidity is somewhere here, because we're expecting markets to take out that low if the downtrend is going to continue. So now that we know that, what we're going to do now is we're going to drop down to the 1 hour time frame. We're going to drop down to the 1 hour time frame and see what the market is telling us in the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So in the 1 hour time frame, I can clearly see a sweep over here. All right. A sweep is usually a strong sign that market is ready to move in the opposite direction, because it has collected all the liquidity above this level. So it means that the market is ready to push down from this level to, this level. Okay. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking for a way to find entry. Now, zooming in on this place, you can clearly see that there's a change in state of delivery. Market pushed up here, pushed up all the way here, came down, pushed up. There's possibly a failure to swing above this high. So what I want to see here is, I want to see price take out this very low. Once price takes out this low, then I'll start to look for an entry. So I'm going to play price and see what price does. Boom. Yeah. So we've seen that price has gone below this low. Okay. And we can now, look for an entry. So I can clearly see a POI here. And has an inducement here as well. So I want to see price come into this particular zone, mitigate it, and continue to push down. Okay. So we're going to play price again and see what price does. So we clearly see that price came into this zone, mitigated it, right? And it's about to push down. And now for me to get that perfect sniper entry, I drop down to the 15-minute time frame and look for a POI. So playing price on the 15-minute time frame, see that price just formed a fair value gap here. Okay. So I'm going to be taking my entry off of this fair value gap. Put my entry here. I put my stop loss just above this high, and I will target I'm going to target internal range liquidity. Okay. So put my entry there, and I'll be targeting internal range liquidity, which is this. Okay. I'll be targeting here. This is our draw. This line is our drawn liquidity, but I'm going to be targeting this one here. Okay. And let's see what price does. Let's see what price does. So I'm going to play price now. Boom. So as you can see, price has come into the fair value gap here. Yeah, I remove that. Price has come into the fair value gap here. See, I mitigated it. Okay. So I'm going to play it. We're going to be expecting a beautiful push down to take TP. And boom, TP hit. Okay. This price is going to push down to this drawn liquidity, but I like to target internal range liquidity just because it's faster. Sometimes price can get close to here and reverse. So I just like to play it safe. So a quick 1:9R, simple and easy.